I am a American citizen.
I'm a president of the.
But not already tuli.
I'm a president of the.
You're a president?
Yeah.
Oh my God, next.
Oh my God.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Oh,
Welcome to the USA.
Welcome in Philippines.
you're Bang Bang Marcos?
Yeah. Yes. I am a president.
I'm proud to
Represent.
see you here.
Where's
I'm proud to represent.
Where's
President. Huh?
Where's the president?
Oh, you understand that? Where's the place? Anything. Anywhere.
Anything you see.
Anywhere in the Philippines.
In BGJ?
Yeah. Anywhere.
You come in office.
That's why.
That's one.
Wait, talk to.
No,
To
not
my
that
lawyer.
same. Not that same. Not that same. No. That's movement. That's movement. It's illegal.
Touch movement.
That's
My point.
you have a case.
I'm your Australia.
No. You cannot do that. I'm a American citizen.
Very good then go to Philippines. Where's the passport in